Hey everyone, I'm going to show you which are the best apps for your TCL Android TV. So the best applications for your TCL Android TV is number one, the Netflix application. So the Netflix application is going to make it so easy for you to watch anything, any TV show or any movies that you want to watch. So it is a really great app, but this is this is subscription based. The second best application is going to be the YouTube. So the YouTube application allows you to watch any channel, any video that you want to watch on your TV screen. You don't have to open your laptop to watch any YouTube video. So this is a very handy application and a very good application to have. Some of the other applications that you really want in your TCL TV is another application that you want is on the Play Store, which is the file manager. So the file manager is the application that you must have on your TCL TV. You can simply write file manager on your Google Play Store and install this application. What this will do is this will allow you to have access to all of your files, your images, if you have connected any external storage, and you can really manage all of your Android storage from this application. This is also very useful if you want to install any external applications as well. So these are the main applications that are must-haves in your TCL Android TV. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.